You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this dish. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations in English and from Japanese cuisine, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Pronounced in Japanese, katsu, katsu. In English, it's generally said as chicken katsu. How to pronounce chicken katsu, the Japanese pronunciation, or you can say chicken katsu as well. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.